Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 3, Week 2, Day 1. First we're going to start by reviewing Super E and how it makes the letter say its name. The E tickles the A to say its own name. A. 3, 2, 1, lake. 3, 2, 1, gaze. 3, 2, 1, cave. 3, 2, 1, tame. 3, 2, 1, save. 3, 2, 1, snake. 3, 2, 1, shade. 3, 2, 1, phase. 3, 2, 1, grape. Okay friends, this week we are looking at the 5 card. This is what it's called, and the 5 card says I, as in 5. This is 5. So what you'll see this week, we're working on I blank E, so the E tickles the I to say its own name, I. So bit becomes bite, rid becomes ride. So that's what we're going to be working on. Okay, here we go. Oh, the E tickles the I to say its own name, I. Line. What's the word? Line. Okay, together. This is I. 9. What's the word? 9. Wide. Word? Wide. Okay, here's our blend. Per, I. The E tickles the I to say its own name, I. Prize. What's the word? Prize. White. Word? White. Okay, let's look at some of these word patterns. 3, 2, 1. I. 3, 2, 1. 3 or 2. 3, 2, 1. Sh. 3, 2, 1. Ing. 3, 2, 1. Der. 3, 2, 1. A. 3, 2, 1. Or v. 3, 2, 1. Sm. 3, 2, 1. Sk. 3, 2, 1. I. 3, 2, 1. Or w. 3, 2, 1. Ah. Okay, let's read some words. We'll do this together. E tickles the I to say its own name, I. Pine. Word? Pine. The E tickles the I to say its own word, I. Pile. Word? Pile. The E tickles the I to say its own name, I. Mile. Word? Mile. Oh, think it in your head. It says I like. Like. Okay. This time we'll take turns. Let's let you go first. The E tickles the I to say its own name, I. Word? Yikes. You might say that if you were scared. Okay, let's do this one together. Ipe. Word? Ripe. Your turn. Word? Vine. If I cover that up, it'd be vin. But remember, the E makes I say its name. Okay, we'll do this one together. Shh. Oh, whoops. Shine. What's the word? Shine. Okay, your turn. Word? Smile. Now you know how to spell smile. If I don't have the E, it'd be smil. So you have to make sure you have your super E. Okay, together. While. Your turn. Word? Dime. And together, life. Word? Life. Okay, now this time you're going to do it in your head. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, bit. Now remember, there's no super E, so it just says the short sound, I. 3, 2, 1, bite, because there's a super E. Okay, 3, 2, 1, rid. 3, 2, 1, ride. 3, 2, 1, kit. 3, 2, 1. Kite. The E tickles the I to say its own name, I. So all of these words change just because of a super E. Okay, so our super E is very important. Okay, here's some super E's with the A. 3, 2, 1. Take. 3, 2, 1. Skate. 3, 2, 1. Slide. 3, 2, 1. Trash. Hopefully you didn't say trash. If you did, you got tricked a little bit because there's no super E. So it's just a. 3, 2, 1. Thing. 3, 2, 1. Drive. Okay, let's look at a sentence. Here we go. Mike likes to ride his bike fast. Now let's read it fluently. Mike likes to read his bike. Sorry, let's try again. Mike likes to ride his bike fast. Okay, we have our capital, we have our finger space, we have our end mark. 3, 2, 1. Period. I'm just telling you something. It's a statement. And we have good handwriting and spelling. Okay, let's look at our next sentence. Kate got, let's sound this one out together. Qu, E tickles the I, quite, a big prize. Now let's read it fluently. Kate got quite a big prize. Okay, and once again, it's a we have our capital and finger space and end mark. It's just a period. Okay, let's look at our next sentence. Clive. Nope, I have super E, so I have to say the I. Clive. That's a name. And Jake will hike for a mile. And there is a period. It's just kind of hard to see. So let's read this fluently. Clive and Jake will hike for a mile. And once again, it's just a period. It's a statement. But we do have an extra capital because Jake is a proper noun. It's a name. Okay, here are our high frequency words this week. This is the word green. Read the word with me. Green. The word green is spelled G-R-E-E-N. Spell the word with me. G-R-E-E-N. Let's write it in the air. G-R-E-E-N. My new bike is green and white. This is the word grow. Read the word with me. Grow. The word grow is spelled G-R-O-W. Spell the word with me. G-R-O-W. Let's write it in the air. G-R-O-W. The grass will grow. This is the word pretty. Read the word with me. Pretty. The word pretty is spelled P-R-E-T-T-Y. Spell the word with me. P-R-E-T-T-Y. Let's write it in the air. P-R-E-T-T-Y. This is a pretty dress. This is the word should. Read the word with me. Should. The word should is spelled S-H-O-U-L-D. Spell the word with me. S-H-O-U-L-D. Let's write it in the air. S-H-O-U-L-D. When should I come to see you? This is the word together. Read the word with me. Together. The word together is spelled T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. Spell the word with me. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. Let's write it in the air. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. We can play together. This is the word water. Read the word with me. Water. The word water is spelled W-A-T-E-R. Spell the word with me. W-A-T-E-R. Let's write it in the air. W-A-T-E-R. Do you want a drink of water? Okay, here's the story we'll be reading today. And I'm going to let you read it, then we'll do it together. Together. A ripe lime. If something is ripe, that means it's ready to be eaten. It's a a fruit or vegetable is ripe. Okay, here's some words you'll see. 3, 2, 1. The. 3, 2, 1 is. 3, 2, 1 you. 3, 2, 1 3, 2, 1 I. 3, 2, 1 on. Okay, I'm gonna let you go first, then we'll do it together. Together, a ripe lime. Okay, your turn. Together, the lime is ripe. You can pick it. Okay, so now the child picked the lime. Let's see what they're going to do with it. Your turn. Together, pick a fat, ripe lime. You can tap a fat lime. Okay, your turn. Together, pick a fine pile. Set 10 in a line. That looks like a 10 frame, doesn't it? Okay, here we go. Your turn. Together, Sam can bite on a lime. Rob can sip it. That sounds kind of sour. Your turn. Together, I like a ripe lime. Okay, friends, so last week we learned about verbs, and a verb is an action. So when we have a present tense verb, so that means something that's happening now, a present tense verb tells that something's happening right now. So this sentence says, Spike hikes up the hill. When a present tense tells about one noun, person, place, or thing, we add an S. So Spike hikes up the hill. The girl hikes up the hill. It's just one person or thing. But when we have more than one, we don't add an S to the verb. So this is Jan and Dave wipe off the plates. The action is they're wiping something. But if there are two or more, we don't add the S. So this becomes Jan and Dave wipe off the plates instead of wipes. Okay, so let's read these sentences. They swim in the lake. Well, what's my verb? My action, what are they doing? They're swimming, so they swim. We would not say they swims in the lake because they is more than one, so they swim. Okay, let's look at the next one. Ike thumps the drum. That means he's hitting it. Okay, so what's he doing? He thumps. Now, is Ike one person? Yes. So our verb has to have an S. Ike thumps the drum. Do you see how that's different? Because we would not say Ike thumped the drum. We have to add our S. Okay, our last sentence. The kids wave on the bus. What are they doing? What's my verb? They're waving. Now, do I have an S? No. Because there is more than one child. So I wouldn't say the kids waves. That makes no sense. The kids wave. No S because it's more than one. The kids wave on the bus. So if I'm talking about one person or thing, we add an S to the verb. So Ike thumps. Ike's one person. But if I have more than one, we don't put an S on the verb. They swim in the lake. Okay. The kids wave on the bus. Okay, friends, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.